What's up, Park Hyatt? Hope you're all doing well. We are another week into the quarantine marathon. And I was looking back at my first post, which was like a month ago, a little over a month ago, and I was talking about, oh, we should do some stuff with the kids, keep them off the TV, keep them off the screen. Oh, it all sounds so naive and innocent now. Now I'm like, give me more TV, throw it at them. Anything. I just need like 5 minutes of sanity, please. And I only have one kid. So for those of you with big families, yeah, good luck. But, you know, in keeping with the original ethos of this little Facebook video diary that we're doing here, I wanted to give you guys something else that you could do with the kids, or maybe do yourself. Maybe you're feeling creative and bored and you had a couple happy hour Zoom cocktails, and who knows. But, you know, Mother's Day is coming up. And I think it would be nice to do a little something special for the moms out there. Or the dads, I guess, you know, hey, 21st century. But really, this Mother's Day coming up. And I got a couple projects for you that I think are pretty easy to do. And they're cool to get the kids involved. And it doesn't take all that much time and money to get off the ground. So check it out. Okay, first project that we got for you, we're going to do some stained glass windows. Wow! Found this one online. Seemed pretty straightforward to do, and it is. You need just a couple supplies, some construction paper and some tissue paper and some tape, and that's really it. So the first thing that you're gonna do is draw yourself a template that's gonna be the frame of your stained glass window. You know, think back to when you made like snowflakes out of construction paper when you were a kid. If you remember that, there you go. You can also find some templates online. So you cut that all out, and then you get the kids just tearing up the paper. Tear it into all sorts of little different shapes and sizes, whatever they want to do. If they want to cut it out, hey, great, watch your fingers. And then you just start taping. All right, and we're gonna do some more of this. What color do you want to do next? Orange. Orange. That sounds like a different language. Right, boom, boom, boom. Tape, tape, tape. All right, and let's see, how are we doing? Very nice. It's like an X flower. And voila! Stained glass window. Priceless artifact. And trust me, Mom will love it. She has no choice. Project number 2! Whoa! 2 projects! All right, we are gonna make a lovely Mother's Day card with flowers, a bouquet of flowers made out of paper. So this one, we're gonna start with some coffee filters. We need some washable markers and like a spray bottle or some other source of water and some scissors and the prerequisite construction paper and glue. All right, so we're gonna color in coffee filters. Great time to get the kids involved, or try. Please do something with Dad. All right, color it in. All right, then you're gonna use your spray bottle or just water from the tap to get them wet, but not too wet. All right, like so. And then what we're gonna do is, while it's still a little bit wet, we're gonna cut it in 4 and twist it up so it looks like vaguely like a flower. Let them dry. Then we're gonna make an elegant vase and some stems on the paper, and we're gonna write Happy Mother's Day on it. This one, I tried to get Zoe interested in coloring it in. Absolutely no interest. Just so you know, so you're prepared. Maybe your kid is, you know, better than mine. All right, get yourself your glue, and you're gonna stick on the flowers so that it looks like a bouquet of flowers coming out of the vase. You get the idea. And there you go. Beautiful homemade Mother's Day card for the woman you love. So I hope you enjoyed this little project. I thought we'd take a little bit break from the cooking, but I just want to do a little something extra for Mother's Day. If there are any requests for special Mother's Day recipes or desserts, please do reach out. Happy to supply them. Hit me up on the F-book. That's what the cool kids call it. And I really hope you're all staying well, staying sane, and staying well. And there you go.